Hi everyone, I'm Khaleel from Edvest 529. Today we're talking about how 529 plans can be used for apprenticeships. Let's dive right in. As a reminder, a 529 plan is a tax-advantaged investment account that can be used to pay for future qualified education expenses. Thanks to the Secure Act of 2019, you can now use these funds for registered apprenticeships. Using a 529 plan to fund an apprenticeship can be a smart way to save for hands-on training and can lead to a great career. Here's how you can use your 529 plan for an apprenticeship. Number 1. Check your eligibility to qualify. The apprenticeship program must be registered and certified with the Secretary of Labor under the National Apprenticeship Act. You can look this up on the U.S. Department of Labor's website. Number 2, calculate the costs. Determine the expenses related to the apprenticeship that can be covered by the 529 plan. These might include tuition and fees for any classroom coursework and the tools and equipment needed to complete the apprenticeship. Number 3, withdraw your funds. This can be done online or by contacting your 529 plan administrator. Make sure to only withdraw funds for qualified expenses that occur in the same calendar year. Using a 529 plan for apprenticeships can be a smart move, offering tax advantages and practical, hands-on training that can lead to a rewarding career.